We're going to work on a supine stretch for your hamstring and your outer thigh. For this, you will need a strap or a belt in order to perform the stretch. Start by lying on your back. And this exercise we'll do with both legs straight, but we'll work on stretching the left leg. So straighten the right leg. And imagine doing a slight internal rotation of the right thigh so that the right knee and the right toes face more up toward the ceiling than out to the right. Just imagine that. But if you feel a bit of gripping in the groin, that's too much. So just do it to a comfortable level. Then draw the left knee in toward your spine. Take the strap. Make sure it has no knots. Hook the strap around the ball of the foot and take the two tails of the strap into your hand. Two hands. Okay, so once we're here, do a bit of abdominal setting, drawing the belly button in toward your spine and wrapping the waist in. And we'll check in on the hips. So you shouldn't have the left hip really hiking up toward the nose. Keep the left hip level with the right. So really wrapping the outer left hip down and under you. Focus once again on the right foot, right knee, right toes are trying to face up to the ceiling. And then gently feel that you could pull a little bit of the left leg toward your nose. Soften your shoulders. Keep wrapping the left outer hip down. Keep wrapping the right knee and toes up to the ceiling. Keep setting your belly. Take a few deep breaths here. And then to progress the stretch so that we get a stretch in our outer hip, we'll take both tails of the strap into our right hand. Take your left hand out to the side. Keep the right leg facing up toward the ceiling and start to slowly allow the left leg to roll to the right. Try to imagine the left hip still wrapping down away from the nose and also toward the mat slightly. Reach the big toe knuckle of the left leg away from you, and you will feel a stretch through the entire outer left thigh here. Keep setting your abdominals, that'll help keep you stable, and keep the right toes and the right knee facing toward the ceiling. Slowly bring the leg back to center, rebend the knee to release the stretch. Switch sides, and do that on both sides, and then you'll hold each version of the stretch for 3 to 5 deep, slow breaths, maybe even more, maybe 8, up to you. Something to be able to practice every day, once or twice a day, just to really release those muscles.